All right, this is just a quick video on the FM radio auto scan feature, which will start scanning higher in the frequencies or start scanning lower in the frequencies if you're in an area where you have no idea what FM station you want to even listen to. So I have the Cardo Connect app up just to show you what's going on inside here. You don't need this to perform the auto scan. Basically what you do, this roller wheel, that's your volume obviously, but once the radio's on, if you click it and roll it forward, it's going to start scanning higher in the frequencies. Click it and roll it backwards, it'll start scanning lower in the frequencies, and then you just tap this front button when you want to stop. So let me fire up the FM radio first. It's 2 pushes of the front button.
103.5.
All right, so we've got that going on. If I tap any of these presets, obviously it'll go to that, but say I just want to start scanning forward, I'm going to click it and roll.
104.3.
And it'll stay on this for a minute and go to the next one.
105.1.
Now, here's a little tip. I can force it to just go instead of having to wait.
107.1. 107.5. 88.1.
Or if I want to go, say I want to save this, I'll just stop it by now hitting the music button up front. Oh, I barely missed it. So say I want to go back,
88.
backwards.
1.
And now stop the scan by tapping the front button. Now the scan is done. So basically when I start the scan, once the scan is going, if I roll it forward, it's going to speed up the scanning forward, or I can start rolling it backwards and it'll speed up kind of the scan going backwards. That's it. If you have any questions, write it below. Thanks.